Alright guys, now that you have your picture of a bat drawn, here are two pictures of a bat, okay? They're different. One is a fiction and one is a nonfiction, okay? One is a photograph and one is a drawing, okay? But, do you have wings on your bat? Good. Do you have a black or gray or brown bat? Not all bats are black. Good. Do you have ears on a bat? What about feet? And a nose? 2 eyes? Is it dark outside or is it light outside? Let's listen to a poem, and it's going to help us figure out what it is that is special about these bats. Okay, you ready? All right. Bats, flying in the dark, in the moonlight, hanging upside down in the morning, sleeping during the day, gray and brown, gliding through the dark, hunting for fish, using echolocation to see. It's a bat. Now, does this poem rhyme? No, it doesn't. But is it still a poem? Yeah. There are just a few words on each line. The poem's short. And it probably has a tune to it. Okay? But we learned about bats. That they fly in the dark. They hang upside down. They sleep during the day. There are bats that are gray, brown, and black. And they go gliding or flying through the dark. They also hunt for fish. Did you know that they hunt for fish? I did not. And they use something called echolocation. That's something where they can hear where they're going. That is how the bats see. They can't see at night, but they can hear where they're going. So now I want you to take a different color crayon, and I want you to draw in what you learned from this poem. Okay, so you should have 2 colors on your paper when you're done. The first color we've already done. Now you're going to get a second color crayon and fill in something that you learned. Okay? Then I want you to submit a video and show me your drawings. I want to know what you've learned about bats. Okay? Tell me what color you used first and then what color you used second. All right, I can't wait.